Made with just few ingredients, this cute looking recipe is called chawal ka fara and this is from Chhattisgarh. This is such a great recipe to use your leftover rice and can be made within minutes. इसके लिए leftover rice में चावल का आटा, जीरा, नमक और पानी डाल के एक डो बना लेना है. Now take a portion and give it a long thin shape. For the tadka, heat some oil, add mustard seed along with sesame seed, some red chili, garlic, curry leaves and the chili powder. Add a cup of water, some salt and bring it to a good boil. Carefully drop in the faras and do not stir at this point. Cover and steam for a few minutes and it's ready to enjoy.